How to turn off location on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily turn off your location on Facebook. So first thing, simply open up your Facebook application and just click on your profile icon and then just select this settings gear icon over here. And once you're inside your settings, just search in for permissions. So once you search in for permission, just click on view your device permission. And once you're inside here, just click on this location option as you can see. So once you click on see info, just click on update settings and then you will have to click on open device settings. So what it does is it will open the device setting and from here just again tap on the permission settings and then you will see option called location and from here you just have to click on it and click on make sure it's on don't allow and you'll have then successfully turned off your location on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.